120 is 3/5 of what number? So gawa natin ang equation word by word. So we have 120 is means equal sign. And then we have 3/5 of means multiplication. And then what number? Let's say the number is n. So just solve for n. So tanggalin natin si 3 at saka si 5. So multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 3/5. So 3/5n, let's multiply by the reciprocal 5/3 to both sides. So we can cancel 3 and then cancel 5. So we have n is equal to 120 divided by 4 divided by 3, that is equal to 40, and then 40 times 5, that is equal to 200. The correct answer is letter D. Follow for more.